Hey, yo,
Stop
Ice.
playing with them, Riot.
Finisher.
Hey y'all, what's up? So you see I'm getting started. Oop, didn't mean to drop that. Anyway, so I'm just gonna separate this. You see that that's separated already. Gonna get these two pieces. This is what I'm gonna use to braid my hair down, so that way I can add the weave in. So I'm just braiding it down really good. So right about here is when I add in my second piece, because as you see I definitely needed it. It was getting a little small, but yeah y'all, I end up adding in my second piece just to make sure that the braid is thick and long enough to add in the extensions. I know y'all like, dang, why she braiding so fast? It's just a skill that I have. Don't mind me, y'all. So now we're gonna take the 30-second holding glue, and I'm basically gonna use this to seal the ends. So as you see, I'm gonna just wrap the end piece just around the braid and just twist it a couple times until it's fully twisted all the way around the braid, as you see. Then I'm gonna take the glue and I'm just gonna basically hold that piece down with the glue, so that way the braid doesn't come down and I can start adding the hair. Okay, so now that my braid is finally done and looking decent, I'm now gonna add in the Forever New hair. It's pretty decent. I'm gonna add this front piece for the bang, and then the other piece I'm gonna add for the ponytail. This hair lasts for like a good 2 weeks, so it's pretty decent if y'all want to try it out. Got it from a local beauty supply, so it do what it do. But yeah, I'm just opening up the hair right now, trying to stretch it out so that way I can be able to wrap it around. Now I'm gonna take the glue and basically add it to the bottom of the hair, so that way I can wrap the weave up the ponytail, if you get what I'm saying. Just watch. So about here, my camera was kind of acting a little funny, so I basically went ahead and did my edges and stuff really quickly. The back I knew was not finished, but I wanted to get the edges kind of done so that way I can see how my progress is looking. So I took some of my Got2b glue and basically sprayed around my head, so that way the little flyaways can be secured and lay flat. Then I basically had to cut off a piece of track that was sticking out because I had too much. So I was just trying to make sure I didn't cut my hair, you know. So then I just took my scissors and cut my bang down at a little angle. I turned on my flat iron so that way I can try to give myself like some type of little cute bang or whatever. I wasn't sure exactly what look I was going for, but I knew I wanted to get a cute little bang. So I at least just started by straightening the front part. I had started to basically curl my hair. Y'all comment down below if y'all think these curls was kind of cute. Right there, I thought that curl was kind of cute that I had just did, and then I turned around and took it down, but to me in the mirror it was looking a little funny. So I was just basically trying to trim it down a little bit because my hair is a little long in the back part of the bang, so I was just trying to make sure it matched with the weave. I was trying to get it curled to my liking. It was kind of hard to do so because I don't know, my head, it just wasn't like doing what needed to be done. So I was just trying to get the curls to do what I wanted them to do. So I'm just playing around with the curls and just fixing up my ponytail a little bit. I basically decided here to brush it out, and then I wanted to curl it so it can have a little curl at the end. I thought that would be kind of cute. So I took a little bit of Got2b glue and just sprayed a little bit, and then I took some of my oil sheen, sprayed all around my hair just to make sure that my hair was looking fresh, cute, and was all flat and everything was intact. Then I basically went ahead and straightened it again because I wanted to achieve a certain look. I wanted it to be like a cute flat bang. In the end, I realized what I wanted to go for. So I basically was trying to achieve that look here. We just went on a walk outside. I feel pretty decent now. Y'all see the sun setting back now.